Hey guys, for today's video, I'll be teaching you how to change your number details on Revolut. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to use a different number for your account, a different and new number. So let's get started by opening the profile icon and then scroll down and then tap on personal details. Now, if I actually go in this tab, it won't show you because it's trying to protect my privacy and I won't be able to show you what's inside. So I'm just gonna walk you through it. So now that you're in the personal details tab, you will see many options, and one of those options is something called number. So tap on number and then tap on new number. So basically just type your new number, and then continue. Now it's saved to your account. That's pretty much all you have to do. It's simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions? Feel free to comment down below.